Question 15. The scores on an examination are normally distributed with a mean of 70 and a standard deviation of 6. Michael received a score on the examination between the lower quartile and the upper quartile of the scores. Which shaded region most accurately represents where Michael's score lies? Now, first thing to note is the standard deviation of 6 and the mean of 70. Plus or minus 1 standard deviation is 68% of the scores. Michael received a score, however, between the lower quartile and the upper quartile of scores. So this is the middle, or this represents the middle 50% of scores. So, for example, let's have a look at option A. Between 64 and 76 is 68% of the scores. But Michael achieved a mark in the middle 50%, which should be inside 64. So it should be greater than 64, but less than 76. So it looks like option A is in fact the correct answer. Just while we have some time, let's have a look at option B. Option B is incorrect because from 64 to 76, this is 68. Again, 68% of the scores lie between here and here. Option C. This is beyond plus or minus 1 standard deviation. In fact, this is greater than 68% of the scores because we've actually gone beyond plus or minus 1 standard deviation. All right? If you were to draw a box and whisker plot, going from Q1 to Q3, lower quartile to upper quartile, has 50% of the scores. Again, should be inside 64 and 76. And clearly D is totally incorrect. That's just above a mean of 70. So that makes no sense at all.